Good morning, students. Today our topic is unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. In our India, there are different peoples, cultural peoples are there. See, there are different states. According to states, there are different peoples. So, different languages they speak. They wear the different dresses. They belong to different religions. Though all religion peoples are there, but they live unitedly. They live unitedly. India is a united nation. They live like brothers and sisters. Diversity. What is meant by diversity? Variety or difference. See, there are variety or difference. See, there are different peoples in our country. So, they speak different languages. They wear the different clothes. So, there are so many peoples like see Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai and many other peoples live in our country. Though they belong to different religions, there is unity. Unity in diversity. India is a country of rich culture where people of different religions live together. In our India, different religious peoples live. It is this diversity which makes our country different from other countries. Now see here, India is a land of unity in diversity. See, there are different peoples live together. It is a diverse country where people of many religions live together peacefully with their own separate cultures. The peoples live together. Though they are belong to different cultures, but they live together peacefully. Culture is a broad term which means the way of behaving with others, our ideas, our customs, arts, handicrafts, food habits, festivals, music and dance. People of different religions follow different cultures. Different religions follow different cultures. Some of the religions practiced in our country are Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and the official language of India is Hindi. Hindi is the official language of India. Besides Hindi, hundreds of other languages are also spoken in our country. There are so many languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, Odisha. So many languages are there. Indians are always known for their mild and gentle behavior. See, what is meant by gentle? Gentle means kind, friendly. In our India, people live very friendly. Our country is a land of rich culture where people have humanity, tolerance and unity, secularism and a strong social bond. See here, humanity means quality of being caring about the feelings of others. People take care of other persons. Tolerance. Tolerance means to put up with. To put up with. And secularism means treating people of different religions equally. In our India, they treat the people equally. Our culture always teaches us to behave well, respect elders, care for helpless people, and help the needy and poor people. So our culture teach us to behave properly. Some of the special features of our rich culture are, see, which are the features? See the first one, worshipping God, keeping fast and offering water to the sun god. Surya Namaskar. See, first you worship the God. Then, second, touching the feet of elders in family and taking their blessings. Touch the feet of elders in family and taking their blessing. सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठ के भगवान की पूजा करना चाहिए, सूरज को पानी डालना चाहिए और बड़ों को प्रणाम करना चाहिए और उनके आशीर्वाद लेने चाहिए. Greeting others by holding of both hands together as namaskar, which means I go to the divine in you. सुबह सुबह नमस्ते बोलना चाहिए. Indian families are closely knit with many family members living in the same house. The grandfather, father, son and grandson share the same spirit, tradition and prosperity. In our family there are so many members, grandmother, grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother. So many people are there. So you take the blessings of all. Doing yoga and meditation. Daily you do yoga and meditation. It is very useful for our health. Welcoming guests like God. We always welcome the guests like a God. We believe in Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is our God. Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest हमारे घर अगर आए हैं तो वो हमारे लिए भगवान है, उनका भगवान जैसे स्वागत करना चाहिए. Even after so much diversity, we all are united as citizens of India. We should be proud of our rich culture and stand united like this always. So we are proud of our country. In our country, though the people are different, but they live together friendly. We may celebrate our individual religion, culture and diversities, but as a country and its citizens, we always stand united. We should respect the rich culture of our country and always stay united.
India is a diverse country. We have so many different states, different festivals, different food, but we all stay together as one country because we have unity in diversity. Although we are so diverse, still we are united. And today I will share with you a story about four friends who always stay together, although they are from very different backgrounds, and they show the perfect example of unity in diversity. So, the four friends are Satbir, Amar, Riaz and Ravi. Now, they are best of friends, but they belong to very different families. For example, let's talk about Satbir. Now, Satbir belongs to a Punjabi family. So, his family belongs to the state of Punjab. Now, his family goes to Gurudwara every Sunday and they serve food to people. Also, they love to eat non-vegetarian food. Now, let's come to Amar. Now, Amar's family is from Uttar Pradesh and they go to temple every Tuesday. Also, they usually eat vegetarian food and occasionally they also eat non-vegetarian food. Now, what about Riaz? Well, Riaz's family is from Hyderabad. Now, they speak Urdu and they usually like to eat non-vegetarian food, and they go to the masjid every Friday. And what about Ravi? Well, Ravi is from a South Indian family. That is, his family belongs to Tamil Nadu. Now, they go to temple every Saturday and they eat only vegetarian food. They are strict vegetarians. So you see, all of them have different family backgrounds. But when they are together in school, they share their lunches and they are best of friends. So whenever you see them in school, you won't be able to differentiate between them. They all live together in such a way that it feels as if they belong to the same family, because they are united, although they have very different family backgrounds. And you know what? Whenever they celebrate a festival, they celebrate it together. So when it is Eid, then everybody gathers at Riaz's house and they have delicious sevai. And when it is Diwali, well, everybody gathers at Amar's place and they celebrate Diwali with all the diyas and firecrackers. And when it is Lohri, well, everybody gathers at Sadbir's place and they celebrate the festival around a bonfire. During Pongal, it is time to gather at Ravi's house and they all have delicious South Indian food. So you see, they together celebrate different types of festivals, but they are always together. That is the most important thing. So you see, all these families are so different, but they are all part of our country, India, which is very diverse, and they all live together in harmony. That is the strength of India. You can see unity in diversity. So you see, there are so many different types of festivals, and all these very different types of festivals are celebrated in one country, that is India. So all of us have our own festivals and dishes according to our background. But there are some festivals which we all celebrate together. For example, the Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. We all celebrate these together because these all represent our country, India. So when it comes to India, that is our country, we are all united, even though we are from very different backgrounds. And not only celebration, when it is time of emergency, even then we are all together and united. For example, in 2014, there was a huge flood in Jammu and Kashmir. And during that flood, more than 1 lakh people were affected. And when this happened, then the entire country came together. Everybody contributed something or the other to flood affected people. So from all over India, different things came to Jammu and Kashmir. That is, people donated money, people donated food, people even donated clothes so that all the flood affected people can be helped. So you see, we all came together when it was a time of emergency because we have unity in diversity. And not only common men, the Indian Army also helped the flood affected people. So all those people who were stranded in difficult positions, Army took the responsibility and rescued them. The people from Army also distributed various relief items like food and clothing to different people. And what is Indian Army? Indian Army is another example of unity in diversity. So in Indian Army, you will see different army men who are from very different backgrounds. So you will see people from Punjab, people from South India, people from West India, eastern part of India. In fact, in Indian Army, you will see the representation of entire India. So we can say that entire India together helped the flood affected people to recover from this crisis. So you see, again, this is an example of unity in diversity. And when there is a major sporting event, even then we see the entire India cheering for our team together, because at that time there are no boundaries of states, religion or language. We are all together and we cheer our Indian team. So you will see all different types of people celebrating together successes of our national sporting teams. So unity in diversity can be seen in which of the following? Celebrating success in sports, celebrating national events, times of emergency, or all the options. What do you think? Well, the answer is all the options. So whether it is celebrating success in sports or celebrating national events or times of emergency, we always come together and exhibit unity in diversity. So you see, in India, we have different states, different religions, different food, different festivals, different cultural backgrounds. But still, we all stay together and we all stay together, celebrate together, struggle together. We all stay together, celebrate together and struggle together. And that's why India is a great example of unity in diversity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.